What? For the timing as a stopgap, let us take into account a flow system and find out what will be the energy equation for it. Flow system means what is the example? Flow of fluid through a duct. So from here, the flow of a fluid is taking place. Say 1 to 2. And this flow is there continuously till we get a fixed point, and let that be 3, 4. Okay. For this flow from 1 to 3 or whatever you call it, we have to find out what is the work done. For that, the distance from one position to the final position, let it be equal to L. Let it be equal to L. And the area that we have from this side, if you see the area, it will be like this. This is area A, but because you are seeing it across, so it is also known as the cross-sectional area. And we will call that as area A. So that is the area when you see it from this side. So now, when flow is taking place, 1, 2, 3, sometime before, just a little later, earlier, we have studied that anything will flow from a higher value to a lower value. So here the flow will take place from a higher pressure to a lower pressure. So here the pressure is high, here the pressure is low. How are we getting high pressure here? That is the question. Just like, increase the pressure. If you say verbally, it will not increase. There must be a reason for it. Note that it is a flow system. When flow system is there and some mass is coming out, then more and more layer of mass will be coming here. So, this is one layer of mass that is there, which has come just before our section. One more layer. Like that, more and more layer of the liquid will be formed. And these layers, one after the other, will apply some pressure to the liquid at this point, at this cross section. Because of that, one after another, when more and more layers act on the cross section at the start, the pressure will be slightly higher. That is the reason. So, let that pressure at the start due to so many layers be equal to P. And what is pressure multiplied by, or what is area multiplied by length? Area multiplied by the length. That is equal to volume of this space. And in mechanics we have studied so many times that the work done is equal to force into the distance. And you would have studied starting from 6th or 7th standard that pressure is equal to force by area. There is a proof for it, but let us not worry about all that. So, this pressure is equal to force by area. So, force will be pressure into area. Pressure is equal to force by area. So, force will be pressure into area. So, this is equal to pressure into area, then into length. I will change this a little bit. I am not changing the values. Don't take it like that. This interchanging. So, pressure into, now area multiplied length is equal to volume. So, what you will therefore get is, work done will be equal to pressure into volume. So, work done is equal to force multiplied distance. Work done is also equal to pressure multiplied volume. But one thing that you should never forget, even after you become a doctor, you must remember. Because without any medical instruments, no, you cannot find out any result. Medical instrument means inside we will have pressure and whatnot. Many things will be there. So that is why you have to know all the details about pressure volume. That is why you have to compulsorily study thermodynamics, man. Doctors, you have to study all that. Okay. So now, what happens is that before this again 2-3 layer will act here. Even before that some 2-3 layer will act. So that is why what happens is everywhere these 3-4 layers will be acting. So everywhere the pressure will be there from the beginning to the end. We will have that pressure. So what do you understand? For the result that we have got just now, what is the understanding you have? Pressure is the same throughout, so pressure is constant. So, if from comparing the start, when some fresh liquid or air comes inside, then pressure will increase. So that pressure will act on more and more layers, so here also we will have higher pressure. Here at the beginning it is less, but when flow takes place, then more and more layer will act here also. That is why it is coming out. That is why the pressure, now it is P. The next moment it will be P plus something. That's why flow is taking place. Okay, so remember this result. Please note that this is a flow system, or you can say that it is an energy term. One of them, not all the energy terms, for flow system. Because I am explaining too much, that is why if you are finding it difficult, why do you worry, man? This copy is with you. Just revisit that again and again and again. Because first something will be understood. Next time, whatever you have understood, you will not read it again. You will read something fresh. So that is why 5-6 times if you read, then everything will be understood. So that is why people say that 1 time writing is equal to 10 times reading. Please read. So you have to strain a little bit, no doubt about it. But just for few months, that's all. After that, good morning, doctor. That is what everybody will tell. I will also tell you like that. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So then, work done is equal to P into V is the energy equation where pressure is a constant. Now we will again go back to the quasi-static process. Pressure is changing, but you have to use only constant pressure formula. That is the condition. For that only we have to take a quasi-static process where the changing pressure is negligible, so we assume that here pressure is constant. When pressure is constant, you can use that formula here, only here. So what you will therefore do is pressure into volume. See that is equal to what that. But for a quasi-static process, the volume covered is dV, and for that the work done also will be very small, so we will take it as dW. Okay. Here again one big question, that there when flow is taking place, you are taking the total process and then you are writing that equation. But here, why are you not taking the total process? The reason is why are you not taking that total process? The reason is there, pressure is same, really same. Here, pressure is not same, changing. So we have to imagine a scene, imagine a situation where pressure will not change. For that only possibility is quasi-static. And why pressure is changing here? Why it is not changing here? If you ask that, for that also we got a good answer. See, at the entry it is open. Exit also it is open. Here for the cylinder, at the entry, no man, no opening. So how fresh gas will enter? No. But here piston is moving, so volume will increase. For increasing the volume, we want energy, but no entry. Then how will it do it? So under such a situation, what happens is, if energy is not available from outside, then energy from the gas itself will come out and push the volume. So that is why when it is completely closed system, that is an open system. So when it is completely closed here, in the case of a closed system, no energy from outside, so gas itself will give the energy for moving the piston. So it is like this. See here. The gas itself will give the energy to move the piston. Gas is giving the energy now. Fresh energy that is moving? No, it's not that. Okay. So energy of the gas will decrease. Pressure will decrease, volume increases, or whatever it is, decrease or increase. Pressure is changing. Changing means not like that you have to take a quasi-static process. That is the difference between a closed system and a flow system. Closed system, because there is no flow, therefore it is known as a non-flow system. Alright. So this is the one. Like this, what we will do is, I have told you so many times that from the beginning to the end, take quasi-static processes. How many processes will be there? Immediately give the answer, sir, infinity. Infinite times you will have quasi-static process. That is why you cannot plus add, no. You have to go for a separate calculation which is called integration, and that also I have explained before. So, after finding the work done for the quasi-static process, all the quasi-static process find the work done from the beginning till the end, and then add it up. So you will now, like this, get the total work done. And for getting the total work done, here the addition is of a different type. So that addition is given a different name, which is integration dW is equal to the integration P into dV, where from point 1 to point 2. Integration differentiation, maximum and minimum, so they will neutralize. Therefore, what you will get, the equation for the work done by taking a quasi-static process or by taking a closed system, fine, you can say it like that also, will be work done given by integration P into dV. So another equation. Without this, I can tell you that 50% of the thermodynamics will be ineffective. So without this, 50% of thermodynamics will not be effective. So if anything is not clear, you have got our explanations. See it again and again till it is clear. You know, when can I say that you have become an expert? Is that after studying it again and again, you are able to recover everything fully without seeing anything. And after that, imagine you are having 4 students in front of you and you are explaining them. 4 students sitting there is imaginary, or you call your friends, ask them to sit down, you explain. And when you are now explaining excellently, then you have got the expertise. Now any problem you can then solve. I should do that when I was a faculty. I am talking of 40 years before. So at that time, I imagine, and in a room, in my house, many people came, my sister, my brother and so on. They came, they watched for half a minute, more than that they couldn't tolerate. They watched for half a minute, then they smiled or laughed like this and they went away. I practice like that. Let them laugh, man. That only has got me the position which I am today. So why bother about somebody trying to teach me out and so on? Okay, because I am getting elevated, so let me do something, even if it is funny, by way of which I can develop myself. I did it like that. You also do it as a student itself. Then who will stop you from getting all the 180 marks that is there in physics? Why physics? You can do the same practice even for chemistry and biology. It will not be a surprise if you stand Tamil Nadu first or maybe All India first also. It will not be a surprise. Remember that. Only thing is, whatever you say, you have to just follow. Practice it. Well, when I was a student, what I did was, in different rooms, walls will be there. In one of the walls, I will get a rank in the examination. I used to write it. Everybody will come and see that. So it will be very, very embarrassing if I don't pass, because everybody has read that. Afterwards, I'll become a laughing stock if I don't pass. Hey, you wrote it on the book. What happened? You wrote it on the wall, man. Now what happened? Then that teaching is something which will be killing actually. That's why I purposely wrote it. Because of that, big embarrassment. Everybody will teach me. So I will study. So because of that, I studied more. You also do it. Please do it. Another thing that I did was, when I was a student, somebody will scold me, my mother, father. I will become angry. When I was innocent, I used to also revert back. I will also shout at them. But that had let me down in my studies. I couldn't concentrate well. So you know what I did? When somebody scolds me, I will go to again some wall of a room, hit my hand powerfully on that wall. Then at once the anger goes. It will start paining. At once I have hit that person. That is the feeling you will get. Anger goes off. Study now. Concentration will be very good. Yeah. Try all that, man. When I did, maybe it will appear funny. Somebody will say that I am a joker and so on. But I passed with a rank, man. He did not. So let him laugh, let him make fun of me. I am not at all bothered. So all this happened. Do it in your case also. And if you get less marks, you come and catch me, man. Yeah. All right. Okay. So now, coming back to the point, we have now got the work done during a quasi-static process, and that is the only way to find out the work done for a closed system.